What's up, Tech Gang? Stefan here from TechRight. There is a new update for the Galaxy A52 5G for all the people in Europe. Stay tuned. Alright everyone, hopefully you guys are having a good day. Hopefully everyone is safe out there. As you guys can see right here, we're on sammobile.com. It says the Galaxy A52 5G gets updated with July 2022 security patch in Europe. Now it says Samsung has released the July 2022 security update to the Galaxy A52 5G. The new software is currently available in European countries and other markets worldwide. We'll soon get the update as well, so I'm pretty sure the United States is going to get the software update. If you guys have got it, definitely leave it in the comment section down below. I'm asking all you fellow Galaxy A52 5G users if there's any update that you got, because I saw some people on Twitter saying they got it in different countries, so I just want to make sure, and you're just helping the community out if you let us know in the comment section down below. It also says the new Galaxy A52 5G software update bears firmware version, and it shows you the version number right there. I'm not going to read that out, as you guys can see. The update brings the July 2022 security patch that fixes over 50 security vulnerabilities. So if there has been some vulnerabilities on your Galaxy A52, let me know in the comment section down below, because I was using the Galaxy A53. Do not have the A52 5G anymore, did not hold on to that device, but let me know if you guys have had any issues on that phone. I knew that was a really good phone for the most part, so I would like to know. Pretty interested in that. It also says the new software version is available in Austria, Bulgaria, France, Germany, Greece, Hungary, Italy, Luxembourg, Nordic countries, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Slovenia, Spain, Switzerland, the Baltic region, the Czech Republic, the Netherlands, and the UK. If you live in Europe, you can install the new software update on your Galaxy A52 5G. You can install it by navigating to Settings, Software Update, and tapping on Download and Install. You can also download the new firmware file from our database and flash it manual, so I'll leave this article in the description down below if you guys don't know how to figure out those simple little tutorial right there. It also says last year Samsung debuted the Galaxy A52 5G with Android 11 on board. The mid-range smartphone has already received the Android 12 based One UI 4.1 update as well. It will get 2 more Android OS updates, Android 13 and 14 in the future, as you guys already know. So the A52 5G should release that in the United States as well. But if you guys don't know, the Galaxy A53 5G, if you are looking for a cheaper phone, that device is only, I believe, $349 right now. So if you guys are looking for the Galaxy A52 5G and you've come across this video, I would just go with the Galaxy A53 5G, because that is going to be supported with updates until 2026. So Android 16, pretty crazy stuff right there. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you guys want to go ahead and pick that phone up. That is an affiliate link, so that will help out the channel. But if you guys have any other information you would like to leave in the comment section down below, go ahead and leave it. Always helps me out. But this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, Tech Gang.